Hey everybody! Today we're going to learn how to enable Dolby Atmos Spatial Audio on Apple Music. First, open the Settings app. Scroll down the primary settings menu layout and tap directly on Apps. Scroll through the application list framework and tap directly on Music. Locate the subsection section explicitly labeled Audio and tap directly on Dolby Atmos. Review the playback choice options inside the Dolby Atmos configuration layout panel. Tap directly on Automatic to have the system play in spatial audio whenever supported Apple headphones are connected, or tap Always On if you are using third-party accessories that support the feature. The operating system framework will instantly change your audio routing rules, delivering a fully immersive, multi-dimensional soundstage experience in real time. And that's it. I hope it helps you in your current and future project. Thank you for watching.